difference is the technology that Illustra puts into every single one of their products. This one has what's called an intelligent temperature sensor built into it. I'll take you through the colors. You're starting off here. This is your purple. Actually, I should not touch it. It's already fallen once. This is your purple, is just right here. Next to that, this is your pink right here. I'm going to be very dainty
don't breathe.
today,
oh my gosh.
And then here is your white. I don't know if Elise and dainty go together.
Oh, I certainly don't. Oh God.
Right here. 8293476 is your item number. Clearance price on this and 40% savings. So this is my friend Kate Eckman, who's been giggling here with me.
Hi.
Welcome back.
How are you? Thank you.
I'm so glad you're here. So Kate, tell us your story of how you got introduced to Illustra.
Yes, well, I've worked as a model for almost 20 years, which is really aging me, but my hair has been through so much, and so I really was searching for hair products that would not only make my hair styled and look great, help me book jobs, help me just look presentable and put together at all times, but the trick for me and for you is that we have to have healthy hair. So we believe the best looking hair is healthy hair. So we've infused all of our heat tools with the best technology on the market. So do not let the price fool you. This is a QVC only exclusive brand, so this is the only place you can get it. But really, and you'll see with my models too, since we've been working together, the health and integrity of our hair has greatly improved, all by using heat tools. That's because it's the best of the best. We're bringing it here to you, and that's why I'm so excited, because it's important to have great styled hair, but hair that's also healthy, that's shiny, and that really is going to stand the test of time, where you keep, you know, our hair goes through so much through washing it and drying it and styling it and coloring it, and just none of us are 15 anymore. So we all think of anti-aging skincare products, but these are really anti-aging hair care products.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes.
All right, so I love the fact that we get top of the line technology with Illustra, but we're not really having to pay top of the line price.
Right.
In this case, we even have it on a clearance price, but let's talk about that technology, about what makes this different.
Well, this really is a hair saver, not just a hair dryer. It's all because of this incredible heat sensor button. It constantly and automatically monitors your real-time hair temperature. Why is that important? That means you cannot overheat or damage your hair. We have these two great preset temp settings, so it does all the work for you. So even if you have your hair stuck in one place, it will not overheat your hair. It keeps it at that stable temperature. If you're in the manual setting, we have this great feature where if you get above 158 degrees, it's going to blink red at you, meaning you have to move the hair dryer away, turn down the temperature, turn down the fan speed. Our Cool Shot button is going to really make that style last, hold in the shine. The ion button is actually my favorite feature because it infuses your hair with negative ions, so that's why all of our hair is ultra shiny, it's glossy. We're really keeping the integrity of your hair in mind. Sue's going to show us how easy this is to use, and really when you're watching Sue, not just with the ease of use, really look at the shine that she's doing when she's blow drying this. Sue is not a stylist, she's just like you. We really wanted to make products that the average person can use and use easily. I think this is so important to say. There are hair dryers out there, you sell them here at QVC, they're $400. This is very, very similar technology, but you can have the hair dryer, you can purchase everything else in the show, you can purchase everything in the next show, the next hour with you, and you're still not going to spend $400. So that's what Illustra Beauty is all about, affordable luxury. You get this great technology like the top of the line $400 dryer, but you have money left over to buy all your other favorite beauty devices.
Well, what I love about this demo right here, what you said about Sue, is, you know, she's using a round brush, and as you can see, she is drying out her very, very curly hair to get a beautiful style. And at the same time that she is getting this style, she's adding in shine to her hair. She's protecting her hair. And that is so important. And I always say this, you know, when we talk about blow dryers, but why would you want to ruin the integrity of your hair at your blow dry, right?
Exactly.
It's like there's so much more that comes after the blow dry. Maybe you're going to use another styling tool. Maybe you're going to use a product that isn't the best thing in the world for your hair, right? Don't mess it up at the hair dryer. You saw that comparable retail value on your screen. It was just over $140, I believe. Your clearance price on this, $62 and change. You've got great easy pay there. 3 easy payments of $20.84. And that concentrating nozzle, does that come with it,
It
Kate?
comes with it.
Awesome.
So we love that. So it has this great attachment feature. I use this every time I style. If you don't want to though, you can get a great rough dry if you have extra long hair, which we'll see on Khadijah in a minute. But the styling nozzle really lets you get extra sleek and smooth hair. So we're really mimicking a salon quality blowout. Sue right now has this actually in the manual setting, not a preset temperature. So if Sue was it's measuring her real-time hair temperature. If her hair was getting too hot, this would blink red on the beautiful LCD screen, meaning you got to turn down your fan speed, turn down your temperature. So we make it impossible to overheat or damage your hair. I absolutely love this feature. It's all because of our heat sensor that's in the nozzle, measuring your real-time hair temperature.
Now, Kate, what if we have a hairdryer right now and we don't know if it's damaging our hair? What are some signs that we would know it's time to replace that dryer?
Well, your hair is looking, your color, whether you color treat it or not, is looking very, very dull.
Got it.
Your hair is looking dry and parched, and the first signs of that are your ends. Your ends are looking dry, they're looking frayed. Your hair just looks like it needs a big drink of water, or it needs that deep conditioning treatment, or you think, gosh, I have to constantly get my hair cut. It looks so damaged. So I love that even personally myself, is I color my hair every month. I haven't had a haircut since July, and it's because I'm using a Lustra Beauty tool. So I'm protecting my hair while I'm styling. And Sue, you see here, just taking her time, and she still is not, we did this on purpose, she still is not coming anywhere close to overheating her hair. She hasn't had to pull it away once. But if she was, she does have very thick hair, it is gonna blink red, you turn it down. That's in the manual setting. If you have it in one of our great preset temperatures, it does all the work for you. It's gonna keep it at a constant temperature, so you can't go too high, because Sue, she's spending a lot of time here in front. With most hair dryers, she would be damaging her hair right now and not even realizing it.
Now, what are the preset temperatures?
So there's 122 and 149. 122 is a low setting, so highly processed hair, if you're a silver fox, really thin, fine hair, I recommend starting it there. You'll see Khadijah, our model, in a minute. If you're Khadijah, put it on 149, our high setting. So that really is good for thick, coarse, really, really, really curly, frizzy hair.
All right, so your color choices are pink, purple, or white. You get the nozzle that comes with it, which I very much appreciate, because I have to say, when you buy a dryer and then you have to go out and buy the attachment, sometimes it's really hard to find one that works perfectly or that matches. So it's really fantastic that Alustra takes the guesswork out of it for us. You're getting this home on a clearance price, as you can see on your screen, $62 and change. And you can try out all of our products here at Beauty IQ. Sorry, I was just getting a nice little, for 30 days. So what I would say, take the hairdryer challenge, get this one home, compare it to the hairdryer that you're using, and see how your hair looks and feels.
Yes, exactly. And Sue colors her hair too. So you'll see in her before and after. Her before, it's very, very curly. It's a bit frizzy. So she loves this because even when she does a rough dry, even when I do a rough dry, my hair is so much less frizzy. That's because of our ion button. With the press of a button, you press it in once, it'll stay in there, and it just infuses your hair with those negative ions. So that's really going to enhance your color. Look at this before and after. Oh, she didn't have it frizzy in the before. She didn't have it frizzy in the before. She had it very flat. But look at the, just look at the volume that she's put in her hair. I'm gonna turn it off, Sue. Sue had her hands full there. But just look at the volume. Look at how her color is enhanced. This is product-free hair. That's what we're so proud of, that you don't even have to use product. You don't have to be a hairstylist. And she has this great lift. Usually Sue's hair is very curly and frizzy in her before. So I just love that the versatility that she's able to achieve with these tools.
Absolutely. And you know what? You can really see her style now as well, which is fantastic. But I think the most important thing is that you could have kept that blow dryer on as long as you wanted, and you still know that it's not going to damage your hair. And I just find a lot of peace of mind with that, because I'm not constantly monitoring my tools, right? I'm kind of just using my tools and hoping that they have the best technology. Well, now you don't really have to hope. You can know, and you can get this home today from Alustra on a clearance price. And our clearance price items, they do go quickly. Once they're gone, they're gone. That means we're not bringing them back. But remember, Alustra is a brand that you can only find here at the Q. We're very, very proud of it. It's our affordable luxury line. We bring you top of the line technology, but we keep the price low by cutting out the middleman, because it is our brand here. I don't think we would put our brand on a beauty channel if we weren't extremely proud of it.
Yeah, well, and I think for me, I can talk all day, but really the proof is in all of our hair and the fact that we're styling it ourselves. This is the money maker right here. This is the magic. This is our heat sensor button. So it's in the nozzle. It's monitoring your temperature, your real-time hair temperature continuously, automatically. You don't even have to think about it. It's keeping the temperature at a stable temp so that you cannot overheat or damage your hair. Think about how much damage you've done in the past. We all have to blow dry our hair. It's not like, oh, I don't need a curling iron, or I don't need this because of my hair. Everyone has to blow dry their hair. So here is all the technology. It's as good as all the $200, $300, $400 hair dryers on the market. Just, we're saving you money so you can purchase other beauty tools. There's so much here to choose from at QVC and at Beauty IQ.
And
so,
two more coming up that you might
love
from Olestra.
Exactly.
You know, the other thing that I think is so important about a hairdryer is perhaps you're that guy or that gal that was like, you know, I don't really have the time to blow dry my hair, or I don't want to risk damaging my hair, or, you know, the excuses can go on and on. Well, this makes it so simple for you. We've taken the guesswork out of whether or not you're damaging your hair. You're getting a quick dry with this, and at the same time, you can feel really, really confident using this tool. So basically it's a win-win situation.
It's a win-win, and Khadijah's hair is a win-win. So I love that this blow dryer just gave her that really soft, really lustrous hair. It's enhanced her color. Look at it. This is no product. I'm sorry, if you look at Khadijah's before, you would think she's got to have a can of something in there to get a comb through it. No, product-free hair. It's just these great tools. And she says that she can never achieve this without a professional. So the fact that she can blow dry and style her hair herself because of the technology, when the technology is this good, it takes a lot of the time and a lot of the difficulty styling your hair. Look, she can get the back. It's so movable. It's so bouncy. It just looks like child's hair that hasn't been damaged and that hasn't been processed in any way. So Khadijah loves it just because her hair, she's a mother of four small children. She has no time. She's also a nurse, but she just loves how it really keeps the integrity of her hair. She works here as a model all the time, so she can just keep this hair going for several days.
Well, and the thing is too, you know, if you have long hair like Khadijah, you know how long it takes to air dry it. We've all probably had our mothers say, as you know, your mother, don't go outside with that wet hair. Well, now you don't have to.
Exactly.
Right? It makes it so much easier. You can see Khadijah's before and after here. Not only does it look sleeker and more beautiful and shiny in the after, but also I bet you anything that before picture would take hours to air dry.
Hours to air dry. So when you get this home, I really want you to think of this as a hair saver, not a hair dryer. Yes, it's going to dry your hair, but it really is saving your hair. And that's all because of this heat sensor button. It's automatically and constantly measuring your real-time hair temperature, so you cannot overheat or damage your hair. The proof is in the pudding with all of our hair. You can see my ends. My ends just got bleached, but my hair looks healthy.
It does.
And look, I love when you show the ends, but my hair looks healthy, and that's because I'm using Olestra beauty tools, so I'm protecting my hair while I'm styling.
Which is so funny because I know that, right?
Yeah.
But then before the show, do you remember what I said to you? We saw each other in the salon and I was like, God, your hair looks so pretty. Like, and I mean, I know what Kate does. I'm here with her all the time, right? And it was just like, it just came out of my mouth, right? Because when you see someone and something is really striking about them, typically you'll be like, oh, Khadijah, your hair is so beautiful, or Kate, your hair is so beautiful. That's what I did to you, and you've been using these tools.
I know.
Walking advertisement.
It's so nice to be complimented. I'm a former 17-year competitive swimmer, so the chlorine wreaked havoc on my hair. I'm a blondeaholic. I used to have to cut 2, 3, 4 inches off at a time because my hair was so damaged from it being styled so much working as a model. So the fact that it's still styled all the time and it's even blonder than it's ever been and the healthiest, and I just turned 40. I'm very proud of that. So again, I'm not 22 where, oh, she's just young, must be nice. So I just love that we're really protecting all of our hair. You just have more vibrant color. You can see Sue's highlights are really showed off here. And look, her hair, you just want to run your fingers through it. It's fluffy, it's shiny. That's all because of our heat sensor button. And if you want to pay $350 more to get a hair dryer, that's on you. But why not get the same or very similar technology, spend the extra $300 on other beauty tools?
Well, 40% off of the QVC price today and way lower than the comparable retail value of $148. You're getting this dryer home today with the built-in intelligent temperature sensing technology here for $62.52. 3 easy payments of $20.84. Item number A293476. You have the purple, which is most popular tonight. You also have the pink and you have the white to choose from. And you're getting that concentrating nozzle with it. You can see those dryers there. What about, do you know the weight of this dryer?
It's